Hi friends! Before starts today's lesson, let's recap the previous lesson distance formula. What is distance formula? Are you remember? Yes, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Come, let's go and join to our class today.
Morning children, welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to learn about properties of distance in that right angle triangle. If A, B and C are the vertices of right angle triangle and angle of B is 90 degree, then distance of AB square plus distance of BC square is equal to distance of AC square, because in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Next, equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. So if the vertices of the equilateral triangle is A, B and C, then the distance of AB and distance of AC and distance of BC are equal. So that the points A, 10, B, minus 2, 5, C, 3, minus 4 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. First we need to find distance of all the three sides. So we are going to find first distance of AB. Here A is 7, 10 and B is minus 2, 5. This is x1 and y1 and B is x2 and y2. So we all know the distance formula. What is the distance formula? So D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here, what is the x1 and y1? x2 and y2. Yes, we can substitute here. What is the x2? It is minus 2 minus, what is the x1? 7 the whole square plus, what is the y2? 5 minus, what is the y1? 10 the whole square. Now minus 2 and minus 7 both are negative, so we need to add. So we get minus 9 the whole square plus 5 minus 10. Yeah, it is minus 5 because 10 is a bigger than 2. So minus 5 the whole square. Now minus 9 the whole square. How do you write minus 9 the whole square? Minus 9 into minus 9, it is plus 81 plus minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25. Now we can add these two. So AB equal to square root of 106. So we need to find AB square. So take square on both the sides. So square and square root cancel. So what is the AB square? So the AB square equal to 106. Next, we are going to find distance of BC. Here, B is minus 2, 5 and C is 3, minus 4. So we already know the distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So what is the x1 and y1 here? Here the x1 is minus 2 and y1 is 5 and x2 is 3 and y2 is minus 4. Next, we can substitute in the formula. What is the formula? Square root of, we are going to find the BC. So square root of x2. What is the x2? Yes, x2 is 3. So 3 minus, what is the x1? Minus 2 the whole square plus, what is the y2? Yes, it is minus 4 minus, what is the y1? 5 the whole square. Next, 3. This minus and minus is plus. So we can write here plus 2 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 it's become a minus 9 the whole square. So 3 plus 2, yes it is 5 square plus minus 9 into minus 9 plus 81. So 5 square is 25 plus 81. 25 plus 81, 106. This is BC. Now we are going to find BC square. So how do you find the BC square? So take square on both sides. So square and square root cancel. So what is a BC square? 106. Next, we are going to find distance of AC. Here, A is 7, 10 and C is 3, minus 4. Again, we are going to substitute in a distance formula. This is x1 and y1 and this is x2 and y2. So substitute. So we get AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. What is the x2? 3 minus 7 the whole square plus what is y2? Minus 4 minus 10 the whole square. So 3 minus 7 the whole square it is minus 4 square plus minus 4 minus 10 we need to add because both are negative. So minus 14 the whole square. What is minus 4 square? 4 into 4? 16 plus what is 14 square? 14 into 14? 196. If we add these two, we get 212. So AC square is equal to 212 the whole square. So if I am cancelling, we get 212. So now we finished to find all the three size distance. What are the three size distance? Yes. So AB is 106, BC square is 106 and AC square is 212. Look at these three. If I add AB square and BC square, AB square plus BC square. What is AB? 106. What is BC square? 106. If I add these two, I can get 212. What is a 212? It is AC square. So, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, it is form a right angle triangle at right angle triangle at B. Can we see the one more problem on this? So that the points A 2, 2 and B minus 2, minus 2, C minus 2 root 3, 2, root 3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. How do you say this is an equilateral triangle? We need to find distance of all the three sides. All the three sides distance is equal. Then it is the equilateral triangle. So I am going to find first distance of AB. How do you find the distance of AB? We all know to find distance of AB using distance formula. Yes. So here this is x1 and y1 and this is x2 and y2. So what is the distance formula? Yes. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is the x2 here? Minus 2 minus what is the x1 here? 2 the whole square plus what is the y2 here? Minus 2. What is the y1? 2 the whole square. So minus 2 both are negative. So I need to add. Yes, it's a minus 4 the whole square plus minus 4 the whole square. So minus 4 the whole square means 4 into 4. 4 into 4, yes, 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16, square root of 32. You can leave this the square root of 32, or you can do the factorization, prime factorization, and write it. How to do the prime factorization? If it is a 32, if I am dividing with the 2, 16, again 2, 8, 2, 4, again I am dividing with the 2, we can get 2. So we get 5 times of the 2. So we have to write square root of this is 2 into 2. So 4 root 2. So like that also you possible to write it. Next, we are going to find the distance of BC. B is minus 2, 2. C is minus 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. So this is x1 and y1, and this is x2 and y2. So here we need to find distance of BC. So BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. What is x2? Minus 2 root 3 minus, what is the x1? Yes, it is minus 2 the whole square, plus what is the y2? 2 root 3 minus, what is the y1? Minus 2 the whole square. Next, we all know minus into minus plus. So these four, minus into minus plus. So we can write this minus 2 root 3 plus 2 the whole square plus 2 root 3 minus into minus plus 2 the whole square. Just you rearrange this 2 minus 2 root 3, because when you have 4 minus 5 or minus 5 plus 4, both are same. Like this we are rearrange this, plus 2 root 3 plus 2 the whole square. This is the form of a minus b, and this is the form of a plus b. So here we are going to substitute the identities a minus b the whole square. So a square, what is the a minus b the whole square formula? A square. So what is the a square? 2 square minus 2 root 3 the whole square is your b. So b square, 2 root 3 the whole square minus 2ab. What is it? 2ab. Like the same, you are going to substitute a plus b the whole square identities here. So plus, what is the a? 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 the whole square plus what is the b? 2 square and plus 2a and b. So these two are cancelled because of 0 per positive and negative. So this is your remaining value. So what is in that? Square root of 2 square plus 2 root 3 the whole square plus 2 root 3 the whole square plus 2 square. Now we can expand this. What is the 2 square? The 2 square is 4 plus 2 root 3 the whole square. That means you need to separate the square for 2 and root 3. So 2 square is 4 and root 3 square. Square and square root cancel. We get the 3 plus, like the same here, 2 square is 4 and the root 3 is a 3 plus 2 the whole square is 4. So next, square root of 4 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 4. If we can add this, we can get 32. Already we do the factorization for the 32. What do we get it? Yes, 4 root 2. So like the same, we do the factorization for this. We can get 4 root 2. So next, we are going to find the distance of AC. Here, A is 2, 2 and C is minus 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. So this is x1 and y1 and this is x2 and y2. So now we are going to find the distance of AC. So square root of y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. What is the x2 here? Yes, minus 2 root 3 the whole minus, what is x1? 2 whole square plus, what is y2? 2 root 3 minus, what is the y1? 2 the whole square. So square root of both is minus. So I can take a common for the negative. 2 root 3 plus 2 the whole square plus 2 root 3 minus 2 the whole square. Now square root of minus into minus plus. Now this is a plus b the whole square. So what is the identity for the a plus b the whole square? This is a minus b the whole square. So substitute here the identity. So a square. So 2 root 3 the whole square plus b square. So 2 square plus 2 a b. Next, a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2a and b. Next, this is 2 are cancelled because of the zero pair. So what is the remaining here? That's we can write as square root of 2 square plus 2 root 3 the whole square plus 2 square plus 2 root 3 the whole square. So expand this. What is a 2 square? The 2 square is 4 plus 2 root 3 the whole square. 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3 plus 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So now we can do this. Square root of 4 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 4 plus 4 into 3, 12. We can add these all, we get 32. Already we learned what is the factorization for the prime factorization for the 32. Yes, it is 4 root 2. So we find all the three sides. What are the three sides? AB is 4 root 2 and BC, distance of BC is 4 root 2 and distance of AC also 4 root 2. So all the three sides are equal here. So AB equal to, BC is equal to, AC is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore, the vertices of form an equilateral triangle. Next, you can practice this problem, isosceles triangle. We all know in isosceles triangles, two sides are equal. So, find distance of three sides. If the two distances are equal, it is form an isosceles triangle. Thank you, children.